morning. It is Tuesday and I need to get my life together. My house is a mess. My routine is thrown off. I'm just ready to like have this week be like a self-care week. Sure, I'm gonna end up making a million of these videos because everyone falls out of their routine and it's okay to go on vacation and like enjoy yourself and not do, I guess, like healthy things or eat healthy food, and like you should do that. Now that I'm home, I feel like when I'm not in my routine, the days just blend together and things just don't get done if I don't like have this morning routine. So I'm really excited about this vlog because I think it'll be fun to show you guys like how I do that and like my whole routine throughout the day. This morning so far, I woke up. I actually didn't journal or read, but I'm gonna do that right now. I just went straight into the bathroom, did my skincare, and then came in here to vlog. I'm gonna sit here, read and journal, and then I think me and Chris are gonna go on a walk. House is just disgustingly messy right now. Like, I don't even want to show you guys. Maybe I will. I don't know if I'm on that level yet, but it is crazy how messy it is right now. I need to like unpack and clean. It's gonna be a really busy week, but it'll be fun. How I make my coffee with Chamberlain coffee. So I don't actually have a coffee machine, but I love to use the little Wildcat instant sticks, or I'll do like a cold brew. So I'll just like add the ground coffee beans in some water overnight, but I obviously haven't done that because I just restocked. Add like a packet to a cup. I'll add a little bit of cold water, or you could do warm if you're making hot, and then I just froth it up. Then I'll add some plant milk. I usually like oat, but this is just what we had in the fridge, so I'm gonna use that. I'll top it off with creamer. I use the Nut Pods almond coconut creamer, French vanilla flavored. It's so good. Grab some ice. And that is how I make my coffee at home. So freaking good. I love it. Decided to make my cinnamon roll smoothie. I am obsessed with this and I feel like I've been having it like every morning I've been home. So there's banana, oats, yogurt, ice, milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and maple syrup in here. It is so good. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, here is the cinnamon roll smoothie. Then I have my coffee I made. I just filled up my water bottle, and then I'm gonna answer some emails right now and get some work done. I haven't picked up my camera in a while. I've literally just been sitting here editing our Big Island vlog all day, and I'm super excited because I'm done. This Big Island vlog is already going to be up by the time you watch this one, so if you haven't watched it, you should go watch it. It is fun and you can see our whole trip. Okay, I just finished making these peanut udon noodle bowls. I was kind of recipe testing these tonight, and so I am definitely going to be sharing these on my Instagram. For the day, and I put this like curling rod in for the first time, so I wanted to show you guys the results. I did it for like only 2 hours, but okay, this side, wow, this looks really good actually. This looks so good. Like, I'm shocked. Like I said, literally 2 hours. Like, I don't like sleeping in that stuff because it just is uncomfortable to sleep in. My neck always hurts in the morning. I tried to just do it this morning instead of like having to sleep in it, and I think it looks so good. I don't know what the back looks like. Probably not that good, but. Okay, I just got ready. I changed. I'm wearing this just Durf Avenue button up of my Levi's dad jeans on. Of course, I feel like I wear these every single day. I just opened this Dior package I ordered, so I wanted to show you guys what I got from it because I tried some of the makeup and you can kind of see it on. So everyone gets the pink Dior blush, but honestly, like, pink has never been my makeup color. I am an orange girl through and through. I feel like it just gives you that like sun-kissed orangey glowy look, or at least for me, it just works so much better with my skin tone than pink ever has. So I got the lip glow oil in color cherry, I think. The last thing I actually bought was this little brow gel. I don't usually use colored brow gel. Like, I like to keep my brows as natural as I can, but sometimes I just need to fill it in a little bit, so I put that on today. Okay, I change like 50 times a day, but I just wanted to show you guys this Skims top I got. It is so comfortable. I'm also wearing it with a Skims bra, which is also amazing. I'm working on some stuff today, but I think I'm gonna go to the store and get some stuff for dinner. I'm making my sister dinner tonight since she is pregnant and she's supposed to have her baby this week. If you don't know, she lives on the island with me. Sydney, if you're watching this, hope you like your dinner. I'm gonna make some white chicken chili, cornbread, brownies, and then get them some drinks and ice cream and stuff. I like occasionally cook meat at home, but for them, or like for other people, I usually cook meat because I know like other people prefer that, but I prefer to like eat plant-based most of the time. I'll probably eat the white chicken chili for dinner too, so I'll show you guys that and maybe give you a little grocery haul once I come back from the grocery store. Okay, quick little grocery haul before I start dinner. So I'm making a white chicken chili. It is my mom's recipe, and I said I'm making dinner for my pregnant sister. This is like one of our favorite childhood recipes, I'd say. Really not vegan, but that's okay. It's still really good and it's comforting. I got a rotisserie chicken. You can make your own chicken breast, but honestly, I'm just trying to make this quick, and this is what my mom actually prefers to do. So got some cilantro to top the chili with, and then some chicken broth to go in it. Some half and half to make it creamy. Pepper jack cheese to make it creamy. And then I got some white beans and diced green chilies. And then I got some sparkling cranberry lime juice. Okay, so I just got everything packed up. I packed up the cornbread I made, and then this is the white chicken chili. And here I put some brownie mix in. It's not cooked, but they could just cook it at home if they want. And then some pepper jack cheese to top the chili with. I got them some vanilla ice cream to go with the brownies. And then this sparkling cranberry lime drink, which is so good. I'm actually gonna add some cilantro in here so that they can top their chili with it, but yeah, that's pretty much the whole meal I made, and then what we'll be eating tonight as well. Good morning. Obviously look really tired because I just woke up. I think it's like 6 right now. I don't know, I haven't checked my phone yet, but it's completely dark outside still. I just kind of have a busy day today, so I wanted to like get started early. Okay, I just finished getting ready for the day and I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I'm just wearing my new simple like brown Skims dress. If you don't own like a ribbed Skims dress yet, then you really need to. They are the most flattering dresses in the world. I have just a plain black one, but I got this one in brown in a shorter version and I just love it. I made my nail appointment at 1 and it is currently 11:30 I think, so I wanted to try and make a recipe video before I leave. I'll be posting that today, so I will leave the link for that recipe in the caption. Okay, I just finished making my recipe and I'm the worst. I always forget to show vlog too, but I made some sugar cookie oats and they're actually so good. And obviously add any fresh fruit on top, but for the video I just did sprinkles and yogurt. Such a simple and good like holiday recipe. I love it. Okay, I'm leaving for the mall right now. I'm at my favorite surf spot and it is breaking so good, and this is a rare occasion where it even has waves. I'm gonna go home and grab my board and then I'm gonna come back and surf because it looks so good and fun. Oh my, loaded up our boards and I'm making Chris come with me. Maybe he'll get a few clips of me surfing, or he'll just be having too much fun. He won't be. But yes, we're gonna go surf now. We just got out of the water. I had the best time ever. Chris got a few clips of me surfing before he came in and joined me. Pretty freezing and storming, so I think we're gonna head home and probably make some dinner. But I'm so glad I did that. Even though I had so much to do today in town, it was worth it. Good morning. I woke up at like 5 a.m. this morning and it is now 9, I think. Been up doing some work stuff. I didn't really get around to doing any of like my routine stuff like reading, journaling, going on a walk, working out yet. That's okay because I don't do my morning routine every day. I try and stay consistent with it, but when I don't, it's not a big deal. I was gonna start doing all that stuff, but then the waves are pretty good and we have to go to my friend's graduation later, so we want to surf before we go. I'm gonna go to the same spot we went yesterday, and then I have an appointment in town today for my nail appointment that I was supposed to go to yesterday. See if that happens, if the waves are really fun today. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to drive past that spot and not go. I really need to get my nails done. I have a broken nail, as you can see. So this little set is from Aritzia. I can link it for you guys, but it's like a cotton material and it's really comfortable. I don't really like work out in it, but I love to lounge in it or clean or whatever. And here is my swimsuit bin because I wear a lot of swimsuits. I think I'm just gonna go with this like light blue Billabong short set because it's kind of cold and this is nice for surfing, but I don't know if it's cold enough for like a wetsuit. Wetsuits make it harder to paddle because it's like tighter, so. Hi guys, it's now noon and I have my nail appointment at 1, so I'm about to head to the mall. I'm wearing the same thing that I did yesterday because I just didn't really feel like picking out a new outfit. Yeah, we're gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna meet my friend Lucy there and we're gonna go to Target and like pick out Christmas decorations and stuff, I think. And surfing wasn't that great today, but I'm so glad I got to get in the water because I'm not gonna be able to later. yeah, let's go get these nails done because they are terrible right now. Okay, I'm back from getting my nails done, and there was definitely like a miscommunication on what I wanted. I said I wanted like acrylics, and she just did dip and then also cut them really short, and now you know how it is when you're getting your nails done. It's just too awkward to say anything. I think I'm gonna go get some Christmas decorations, some Christmas ornaments, and then probably grab some food and head home because I am starving and they have a lot of good food down here, so. Just ignore these packages in the background. There are Christmas trees and we're gonna be decorating today. I just woke up and made our bed, journaled and read a little bit, did some skincare. My patch is on. Now I'm rolling out my face with my ice roller. So made my favorite iced coffee. I showed you guys the recipe earlier in the week, but it's so good. Last night I just did some Christmas shopping. I got so many cute decorations from Macy's actually. All of their stuff is like super heavily discounted because no one's Christmas decorating anymore. It's the 10th and we really need to get on it, but I got like a bunch of ornaments for our tree and a star topper, a wreath. I'm super excited about all of that stuff. And then last night I just drove home and we had a game night with our friends, so I cleaned up this morning from that. But I think I'm gonna actually end the video here. I will probably start vlogging today once we start setting up our Christmas decorations, but that'll be next week's video. So thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for being here. You guys are the best. If you like this video, please comment and let me know what you liked about it or what you want to see on my channel. I'm happy to show you guys what you want to see. Leave a like if you liked it, and if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.